Talroo is very efficient. I've never stayed on a call for longer than 30 minutes. And within that, we're able to discuss everything we need to, make quick changes. But then on top of that, those changes are implemented within an hour after we get done talking. I'm Mindy Rogers. I work for a dairy manufacturing company, and I do the recruitment for them. It's been probably about 2.5 years now. That's when we started the relationship with Talroo. It's been great. Our town has about 3,500 people, and to get the amount of applications that we needed, it was just a tough find. So Talroo really made a big difference for us. We actually had to hire 143 new people, so that was a big lift in a small community. And those jobs were multiple ranges from entry level all the way up to executive. There's been a lot of different benefits that Talroo has provided us. One being the applications that we needed, the quantity that we needed to be able to hire the right individuals for the right positions. The other thing is it gave us a new outlook. We're a 95-year-old company, and a lot of things we did the same. But Talroo came in and made us think about the titles of our positions. So it's great turnaround, and it's been a fantastic tool. I just really love that. It really gives us the quantity to go through and really find the quality of applicants.